Let's do a quick get ready with me. I went in with the Milk Hydrating Primer. I really love how this primer holds my makeup because the weather was really hot. And then I went in with the Hema Brow Pencil. If you guys know, you know, it's my favorite. After that, I went in with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I have two shades. I have Chai and Chestnut. I don't know exactly which one I use, but those are the two shades that I have. And then I also went in with the Fit Me setting powder to like set the eye so that at least the eyeshadow can blend really nicely. I use the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I really love this palette. This palette kind of gave me the feeling of soft glam look. I really loved it. Normally I just do like a bronzy eyeshadow, like one eyeshadow, like really natural, but today I just wanted something really nice. I wanted something a little bit glamorous because I was just feeling good, feeling happy. So I went in with this really nice like champagne. I don't know. The color is really nice, like a burgundy, like shimmery color. I don't know how to describe colors, but anyway, it was really beautiful. I went in with this milk liquid illuminator. I really loved it. And then I went in with this Milani foundations. Turned out really lovely. I love how everything looks really nice. I also used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to conceal and highlight. I really love this concealer. This concealer is so beautiful. It's like my first time using the Too Faced concealers, but so far like I'm really loving it. I also went in with this L'Oreal Paris and foundation stick. I use it as a contour. I really love how it turned out, like really nice. I really love that contour. And then I went with my favorite, which is the liquid blush. I am so obsessed with liquid blush now, and I just love how it looks on my face, especially on my nose. It looks so nice, it looks so beautiful. So I just like to blend that a little bit into my eyes, and then I go in again with my sponge just to blend the concealer and give it like a really smooth transition. I use the Huda Beauty setting powder as well to set my face. I really love that powder. And then after that, I went in with my Makeup Revolution matte base setting powder to set my entire face. I went in with the Revolution Patricia Bright palette. That one has like an eyeshadow, no, an highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush. Like this is my go-to travel palette. Like I really love this palette. So I really went in with the blush and the highlights, the contour. It's so nice. I really loved it. I also went in with my, I think was it the MAC lip liner chestnuts, and with two of the NYX lip gloss. Loved it. And I just combined all of that together. Really loved it. I love how it looks. I went in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I love this highlighter. Like, oh my god, I'm just obsessed with this highlighter. It's so beautiful. It gives you that really nice sun-kissed glow, especially when your skin hit the sun. Ah, beautiful. After the highlighter, I went in with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray because the weather was really hot and I really need my makeup to last for a very long time, which it did. This was the finished results and I hope you all like this. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.